Hey there, Amsterdam explorer! Ready to experience the perfect 5-day visit in this mesmerizing city? From winding canals to secluded courtyards, world-class museums to authentic Dutch treats, we've crafted the ultimate itinerary that explores it all. Whether you're planning where to stay, what to eat, or how to get around, we've got you covered. Let's dive into your next adventure. Day 1. Canals, Culture, and Dutch Delights. Amsterdam is a city that shines brightest in late April to early May, when tulips paint the landscape in brilliant hues. If you prefer fewer crowds, September offers mild weather and a more relaxed atmosphere. For the best experience, stay in the Jordaan or Canal Ring areas. These central, historic neighborhoods put you right in the heart of the action. Budget travelers can find comfort at Klink Noord Hostel, while those seeking mid-range options might enjoy the Hoxton. For a touch of luxury, the Pulitzer Amsterdam offers an unforgettable stay. Getting around is a breeze with the city's excellent public transit system. Grab an Amsterdam travel ticket or OV chip card for easy access to trams, buses, and the metro. Better yet, do as the locals do and rent a bicycle. You'll blend right in with the cycling crowd and have the freedom to explore at your own pace. Expect to spend about 15 to 25 euros per day on transportation. Start your trip with a canal cruise. As you glide along the waterways, you'll quickly understand why the canal system is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These 17th century channels aren't just pretty, they played a crucial role in the city's growth and trade during the Dutch Golden Age. A typical cruise costs around 18 euros and lasts about an hour. After your cruise, take a stroll through the historic Jordaan neighborhood. This area is known for its narrow streets and tucked-away courtyards, offering a glimpse into Amsterdam's charming past. As you wander, keep an eye out for the Anne Frank House. This powerful memorial to World War II history is a must-visit, but remember to book your tickets online in advance. Tickets are releasing 2 months ahead and daily at 9 a.m., with prices starting at 14 euros for adults. For a change of pace, head to the Negen Straatjes, 9 Streets area. This network of 9 side streets is a shopper's paradise, filled with independent boutiques and charming cafes. It's the perfect spot to pick up a one-of-a-kind souvenir or grab a quick bite. Speaking of bites, no visit is complete without trying some traditional Dutch snacks. Look for a local eatery serving bitterballen, deep-fried meatballs often paired with mustard. For something sweet, try a stroopwafel, 2 thin waffles filled with gooey caramel syrup. As evening falls, make your way to a brown cafe for dinner. These cozy, traditional pubs are the heart of Amsterdam's social scene. Café de Twin in the Jordaan area is known for its warm atmosphere and tasty Dutch snacks. Or try Café in de Waag, housed in a medieval fortress-like building. Day 2. Masterpieces and Market Marvels. After experiencing a few cozy cafes, it's time to explore the city's artistic soul. Your journey through Amsterdam's golden age begins at the Rijksmuseum, home to over 8,000 pieces of Dutch history and artistry. Arrive early to beat the crowds and witness masterpieces like Rembrandt's The Night Watch and Vermeer's The Milkmaid up close. As you stand before these iconic works, you'll feel a sense of awe at the incredible skill and emotion captured on canvas. Stepping out of the quiet museum halls, you're greeted by the lively atmosphere of the Cuyp market. The aroma of fresh cheese and poffertjes fills the air, mixing with the cheerful chatter of locals and tourists alike. This bustling outdoor market in the De Pijp neighborhood is the largest daily market in Europe. Here you can sample Dutch cheeses, pick up fresh flowers, and taste local treats. After lunch at the market, make your way to the Van Gogh Museum. This incredible collection houses over 200 paintings by the famous Dutch artist, along with numerous drawings. You'll see how Van Gogh's style changed throughout his life, from his early dark paintings to his later brighter works. As golden hour approaches, take a relaxing stroll through Vondelpark, Amsterdam's largest and most popular green space. The park is perfect for people watching, picnicking, or just unwinding after a day of art and culture. During summer, you might catch a free concert or performance at the open-air theater. For dinner, explore the trendy De Pijp neighborhood. Try Café Sonneveld for good value Dutch and European dishes, or head to Mortimer for their famous savory brunch options like Eggs Benedict. Expect to spend around 25 to 35 euros per person for a meal in this area. To make the most of your museum visits, consider purchasing tickets in advance online. Both the Rijksmuseum and Van Gogh Museum offer timed entry slots with adult tickets averaging about 21 euros. These world-class museums are open until 5 p.m. most days and are well worth the investment for an unforgettable encounter with Dutch art history. Day 3, Alternative Amsterdam and Noord Adventure. Time to experience the city like a local, on 2 wheels. Renting a bike is easy and affordable, with prices starting around €10 per day. You'll find rental shops throughout the city, but Mac Bike near Central Station offers convenient location and reliable service. As you start pedaling, you'll see why cycling is so popular in Amsterdam. The city boasts over 800,000 bikes, making it the go-to transportation for many residents. Remember to follow local rules, use bike lanes, signal turns, and watch out for pedestrians. While helmets aren't required, wearing one is a smart safety choice. Let's venture beyond the familiar canals and charming streets of central Amsterdam to a place where old and new blend in surprising ways. Our destination is the NDSM Wharf, a former shipyard transformed into a thriving cultural hub, a canvas of urban art and creativity. As you ride across the city, pay attention to the change in scenery. Quaint canal houses give way to industrial buildings and street art. At the free ferry behind Central Station, hop on with your bike and enjoy a short 10-minute ride across the Eye. From here, Amsterdam's skyline tells a different story, one of urban evolution and architectural innovation. Arriving at NDSM Wharf, you'll find yourself in a playground of creativity. This urban space hosts quirky cafes, art galleries, and creative workspaces. Don't miss Strut, the world's largest street art museum, featuring over 160 artworks by more than 150 artists, showcasing the best of global street art culture. After exploring NDSM, cycle back to the city center and visit the Filmmuseum. This striking modern building houses a treasure trove of cinematic history, including over 40,000 films and 700,000 film-related items. The museum often screens classic and contemporary films, so you might catch a special screening. For your evening plan, it's time for dinner with a view. Head back to NDSM Wharf and find Plek, a restaurant crafted from shipping containers. Enjoy organic, locally sourced meals while taking in views of the beach and the Eye. Plek's relaxed atmosphere, fresh flavors, and vegetarian options perfectly complement the Wharf's creative spirit. Keep an ear out for live music events that add to the already dynamic ambiance, creating a truly local experience. Day 4, Windmills, Clogs, and Dutch Traditions. Transitioning from Amsterdam's urban energy, let's explore the heart of Dutch heritage at Zaanse Schans. This charming village, just a short trip from the city, offers a captivating glimpse into traditional Dutch life. Getting there is a breeze. Hop on bus 391 or 891 from Central Station, running every 15 minutes. Alternatively, take a 20-minute train ride to Zaanse Station, followed by a scenic 15-minute stroll to the Windmills. When you arrive, you'll feel transported to another era. Wooden houses line the waterfront, their reflections shimmering in the calm waters. The windmills stand tall and majestic, their sails turning gently in the breeze. These iconic structures are more than picturesque landmarks, they're living history, each telling a tale of Dutch ingenuity and determination. At Zaanse Schans, you can witness artisans keeping age-old traditions alive. Watch cheese making in action, observe skilled clog carvers at work, and explore the inner workings of the windmills. Step inside one of these wooden giants and feel the gentle vibrations as it comes to life, grinding grain or sawing wood, tasks that shaped the Netherlands we know today. For a playful twist, try on some traditional Dutch attire. It's a perfect opportunity to capture memorable photos and experience a taste of Old Holland. Sample some local delights too. Treat yourself to 2 Dutch classics, a slice of traditional apple tart and locally made Gouda cheese, both embodying centuries of Dutch culinary tradition. To complete your day's journey, return to the city for one last cultural stop. The Royal Palace on Dam Square awaits. Its impressive facade is a testament to the Netherlands' royal legacy. Inside, admire the stunning period furniture, paintings, and sculptures that showcase the country's regal history. This outing in Zaanse Schans offers more than just a glimpse of the past. It's a bridge connecting Dutch heritage to the present, allowing you to sail through time and experience the enduring spirit of the Netherlands. Day 5, Quiet Corners and Grand Finales. As you approach your final day in Amsterdam, the city reveals one last surprise. Venture off the beaten path to discover where old and new intertwine in unexpected ways. Begin your morning at the Bijenhof, a hidden courtyard nestled in Amsterdam's heart. This peaceful sanctuary sits below street level, offering a quiet escape from the city's energy. Wandering through the serene garden feels like stepping back in time. Look for the last wooden house in Amsterdam, dating to 1425. A rare sight since wooden buildings were banned due to fire risks. Next, explore the Jordaan area's many museums. The Houseboat Museum offers a peek into life on Amsterdam's iconic floating homes, while Electric Ladyland showcases fluorescent art in a distinctive space. In addition, check out the Amsterdam Museum. Interactive displays and modern presentations bring the city's rich history to life, showing how Amsterdam grew from a small medieval town into the bustling European capital you've been exploring. As your adventure is almost complete, enjoy a farewell dinner at a Michelin-starred restaurant. Venues like De La Bridge or Ciel Bleu offer memorable culinary experiences, with prices typically between €70 and €150 per person. It's a splurge that perfectly caps off your trip. For your final activity, board an evening canal cruise. These 75-minute tours provide a magical view of the Dutch capital as it lights up for the night. Some cruises include dinner or live music, adding an extra touch of enchantment. As you glide along the illuminated canals, reflect on the local delights you've uncovered throughout your stay. From intimate courtyards to unconventional museums, Amsterdam has revealed its many layers, leaving you with a bittersweet feeling as you bid farewell to this captivating city of endless discoveries. We hope you've realized that this city truly has it all. From its rich cultural heritage to its contemporary scene, there's something for everyone. As Callum Booth from Time Out puts it, Amsterdam stands proudly as one of the most culturally significant cities in Europe, with an innovative food scene and a vibrant nightlife. Our 5-day itinerary covers the best of Amsterdam, but feel free to mix it up based on what interests you most. If you're visiting in June, consider timing your trip with open garden days, when over 30 private courtyard oases within Canal houses welcome visitors. It's a rare chance to peek behind these historic facades and see a different side of the city. We'd love to hear about your travel experiences. Share your stories and tips in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to subscribe to Itinerary Insiders for more travel plans for cities like Istanbul, Rome, and Bangkok. Your next trips are just a click away here at Itinerary Insiders.